Gale in Context focuses on current and controversial issues. It's in Schoology, and it's one of the Gale in Contexts, but this one says Gale in Context APO, which is obviously it shortens, it clips off the opposing viewpoints part. So just look for that. So there it is. Once you get there, be sure to sign in with Google, but it focuses on US issues. And you can actually browse the issues, which is kind of interesting. There's a whole lot of topics. But if you're not really sure of your topic, that's a really great option. You can also select a category, which is pretty helpful. Here I chose business and economics and agriculture industry, which may or may not relate to Kill a Mockingbird. One of the things I like about Gale in Context is this menu where it classifies the resources into category types. And the menu aligns really well with our research model. So each category features 3 items, but if you click on the category name, for example, reference, it will actually give you the full list, the complete list of all the resources that they have under that category, say reference. So there's really something for every stage of the research process. So this is one example of how the resources might play out as you move through the research model, the wiser research model. There are some other things you can do with your results. You can sort them by relevance or newest or document level or even content level. The ease with which you can read the material. On the right-hand side are your filters. This is different from most of our databases where the filters are on the left, but in this instance, it's on the right. And my favorite filter, of course, is to search within your results, which is pretty handy. You can navigate through the page numbers. You have several tools available. One is the send to drive on the right. You can have your article read aloud on the left. And then way up at the top where the quotation marks are, you can grab your MLA citation. So if you click the Cite button, it will bring up a window that looks like this, and you can highlight and copy that citation. I want to caution you, but when you paste your citation, you're going to have to make a couple of changes. So the in Gale in Context must be in lowercase. We don't capitalize the I in context. And then that's pretty much the major change you're going to make for most of the articles in Gale in Context. It does a very good job of citing sources. So you can see the before and after the citation has been corrected. And what you're going to do with that is you're going to go to your works cited document and you're going to open it. And the first page is nothing but instructions, but the second page has a little passage that's formatted perfectly for you. So what we want you to do is highlight that citation. So put your cursor at the beginning and put your cursor and drag it to the end and then overwrite. So instead of pasting, you're going to paste without formatting that citation. So there you go. You highlight it and then you go to edit or as you can see, there's a keyboard shortcut, Shift Command V, and you paste it and you're going to make whatever changes you need to make. You have to italicize the containers. You're going to lowercase that I. The second container is a database name, so you have to italicize that also, and then you are done.